You just share and share and share. The right people will come into your life as long as you keep on sharing the business. Ano tayong tinatawag na financial literacy that really changed the lives of a lot of OFWs kasi baliwala kung gaano kalaki ang sweldo mo kung hindi ikaw nagnenegosyo that it works around the law of leverage. Kailangan talaga leverage asset, kailangang meron ka. Yung mga nakakausap mo na ayaw pa nila gawin yung negosyong ito, maybe they're already okay with their lives. So, intindihin mo lang sila, but always remember, don't turn the green apple into a red apple if you can find a lot of red apples. Yung mga taong nag-mature na rin sa buhay, yung mga taong gusto i-redirect yung life nila, yun yung mga kausapin mo. Wag muna yung mga taong hindi pa ready. Dahil, alam mo rin yan, dati ka rin naging OFW at hindi naging ready sa isang opportunity. So, hayaan mo lang sila. Ang importante, you just share the business. You just share and share and share. The right people will come into your life as long as you keep on sharing the business. Minsan, kahit hindi sila mag-like sa post mo, pero nakikita nila yan. Nag-o-observe lang sila. At ang isang tao, sumasali siya sa alam nilang very active.